Hey everyone, welcome back to Reefs. I am very excited to have you guys today because, let me tell you guys, I love answering your guys' questions, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing today. So if you guys like these kind of videos where I can just help you guys out, then just leave a like on this video and subscribe if you are not already. But don't forget to turn on those bell notifications so that you guys do not miss another video, because that is very important that you guys never miss one of my videos. And I'll tell you why. Well, I actually don't know. I just want you to watch my video because I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and I love making content for you guys, and I will continue to make content whether 1,000 people are watching or 0 people are watching. So I would prefer 1,000, but you know, it's okay. But I would appreciate if you guys would subscribe. So in today's video, I will be going over questions that you guys asked me on Instagram at ReefsYT. If you're not following me already, you guys definitely should, because really, why not? But I will tell you, I post stories a lot of interactive stories where I might ask you a question. You know, I might ask, you know, about a video idea. And if you guys want to be somehow incorporated into videos on this channel, your best bet of doing that is by following me on Instagram. Also, Instagram is just really the best way of getting a hold of me regardless. I asked my followers on Instagram to ask me some questions for a Q&A. And I'm going to be reading those off to you. Sorry if I didn't get to your question. I got a lot of questions, a lot of great questions, and I'm going to be answering some of them today. This video is sponsored by me, Reefs, okay? Look, Reefs, or aka me, needs you to check out Weeble, because they will give you 2, not 1, 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit $100. I'll leave the link down below if you guys want to go check it out. Your 2 free stocks to be worth up to $1,500. So if you want some free money and get started with investing, go check it out. Also, I have my Discord down below. We're going to be doing some trading on there. So if you want to make some money, go check out the Discord and go get your 2 free stocks at Weeble. Let's get straight into the questions. Woo! So here's a question that I do get a lot of. Look, every time I post a video, I'm going to see this comment. I'm going to see this question. What happened to your YouTube channel? It doesn't say the subscriber number. Coming in from Adam.Majos or Mayhos. Not really too sure. But that is a good question. And I'll tell you guys. I will be completely honest with you guys. I don't want people to see my subscriber number because I have 1 subscriber. No, I'm just kidding. I have a few subscribers. You guys are not gonna know how many I have because that is a secret. However, the reason for that is because I do not want people to judge my videos based on how many subscribers I have. Like, if I were to post a video and I had 0 subscribers, my video is worth less to the viewer than if I had 100,000 subscribers. It's just like a credibility thing. So for my sake and for the viewer's sake, I keep it private so you guys do not judge my videos based on how many subscribers I have. You should judge the video based on the content, and that's why I do that, okay? I hope that cleared things up. I will not be telling you guys how much subscribers I have for a long time, so stop asking. That's my answer, okay? I'm being truthful. Next question, coming in from Tobias. Never do YouTube anymore or never do theme pages anymore? Well, that's funny because I stopped doing theme pages. But, hey guys, don't you dare unsub right now. Look. I'll be back. I'll be back doing theme pages. Just right now, I'm taking a little break. And to answer your question, I would rather do YouTube because I really like YouTube. I love making these videos, and I don't really need to do theme pages, but I really want to do YouTube. So, you know, Instagram theme pages, you know, it's okay, but I'd rather do YouTube. My true passion is for YouTube. It's not for theme pages. Theme pages is just the content I make on YouTube, which I'm trying to, you know, branch out a little bit, make some different content for you guys, because I'm gonna get tired eventually of making theme page content. Next question. This question is coming in from Haran Topkagik. I'm sorry if I butcher your guys' names. It's not my fault. Well, it is my fault, but you guys should cut me some slack. Is plug Is Plug App the best way to make money on Instagram with a small amount of followers? And I will tell you guys, yes it is. Because when I was doing theme pages and when I was using the Plug App every single day, I talk about this a lot on my channel earlier on, pretty much with around 30,000 followers on Instagram combined all my theme pages together, I still made $2,000 in 1 month off of the Plug App. And that was pretty insane. This was due to making my own ads and just playing around with the Plug App a lot. Now, I think it's a little bit saturated right now. Ads are not doing as well as they used to. I'm gonna be honest, but you know, back then I was making my own ads, so it didn't matter. But, you know, my answer still stands. If you want to make money at a small amount of followers, I would still say Plug App is the best way to make money. Coming in from Ethan King, another YouTuber that I actually have a collab set up with coming soon, guys. I will be rating some theme pages. Anyway, he asked favorite videos so far. And to that, I say the mining Bitcoin video because, you know, I liked making that video. It was very interesting. I liked the results. Actually, I take that back. I really liked making the part 2 of mining Bitcoin. Here's a card for it. Go watch that if you guys haven't. But that video just did really well. And I like the results of the second part of mining Bitcoin because I was using an actually good laptop with, you know, a nice GPU and CPU, and I actually got some decent results. So that video, mining Bitcoin on my gaming laptop for 1 week, is probably my favorite video to date. But I don't know, maybe I'll make a better one soon. The next question is from Royal Luxury Style. Would you try dropshipping and promote through Instagram? I've been thinking about this, but you know, dropshipping is not, I don't know how to say this, but you know, it's not what it used to be. I've tried dropshipping a few times, been successful a few times, not through Instagram though. Not through Instagram. I tried. It did not work. I had to use TikTok and some other platforms. But I've tried Instagram dropshipping. Did not go well for me. I mean, I was successful at dropshipping, just not through Instagram. But I also do not want to set up everything with Shopify and make everything, like just all the details that go into dropshipping. It's so tedious. It takes a long time. Okay, it doesn't take a long time, but I'm a little bit lazy and it is time consuming and mentally straining. And I do not want to do that. And it also costs a little bit of money to start. That's why I promote the Plug App a lot, is because I just think it's a better way to make money on Instagram than dropshipping. And the state of dropshipping is a little right now. So maybe in the future, eventually, I'll try it again. But for right now, no. Next question coming in from Jaden Malone. What fun stuff do you spend your money on? This is a great question. I love this question. I'm glad you guys asked because a lot of the money that I don't spend on making YouTube videos, I either buy clothes, shoes, you know, I like to go to the thrift store a lot. What else do I spend money on? Camera equipment. Guys, I just spent like $2,000 on a new laptop and a camera. So that's just like a lot of that went to that. I keep buying a bunch of equipment for YouTube and I don't make that much money off of YouTube. But I will continue to keep making the content better because that's what I want to do. I also play Airsoft and I like Airsoft a lot. I have a few things. I spend a little bit of money there too. I like going to the store and whatnot. Those stores are fun. And I like playing the game of Airsoft. I can't say the G word on YouTube, so if I say the G word on YouTube, then, you know, I'll get demonetized or make less money. So I just got to say Airsoft. But, yeah, I don't spend that much money, actually, guys. I, quite frugal with my money, and I like to invest it. You know, I spend a lot of money on investing. That's one thing. Last question coming in from 3Run Flip. What is your CPM? I'll check for you. Let me go check. I'm glad you guys asked this question because, you know, I'm sure a lot of people want to know. And I like being open with you guys and telling you guys how much money I make. I feel like I just deserve it to you guys since you guys are the one watching. So let's go check my CPM. Okay, guys, so I couldn't find an average of my CPM on my phone. However, I could find you guys an average of my RPM, which is how many dollars I make per 1,000 views on YouTube. And don't mind this straight down graph on the last day. It literally does that every day. I'm not sure why. However, in the last 30 days, on average, I will make $6 for every 1,000 views that I get on this channel. So you guys go ahead and do the math. CPM, I couldn't find it, but RPM is like the same thing. So you guys do the math. You guys can figure out how much money I make. Well, that's what I got for you guys as far as questions go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned some insight about me. If you guys have any other questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll just type up a little paragraph answering your question, if I can, at least. I hope you guys liked this one. If you guys did, leave a like. Also subscribe if you are a new person watching this video. Hey, new person, you right there, I know you're watching. Subscribe right now with the bell notifications turned on. I would appreciate that. Here, I'll give you a there. That's just for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been Reefs, and peace out, YouTube.